Hi everyone! Welcome to Summertime Kids Show, and I'm Annalise, and this is Summer, and you're going to join us today as we're going to do some Valentine artwork. Since Valentine it's the 8th right now. Valentine's is 6 days away, so Summer is going to she's going to make some Valentine's card for daddy, for ate, for kuya, and of course for grandma and grandpa and uncles and aunties. I think she'll just make, like just one Valentine card for all of her uncles and one Valentine card for all of her aunties. And we're gonna be helping her today. So what we just need are actually like 3 materials, and these are the materials that you can find at home. If you have these already, then you're lucky. If you don't, then you can you can buy this stuff at the dollar store or at the sari-sari store. What's your name?
My name is Summer Kitahong.
Very good, Summer. How old are you?
I'm 3 years old.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything.
So Summer just finished drinking her milk, and we're now going to help her do the Valentine artwork, the Valentine card. And we can start with the materials. This is the washable finger paint from Crayola. So Summer got this as part of her birthday gifts, from her daddy. So as you can see, there's yellow, red, and blue. And because it's Valentine's Day, we're gonna be using the red color. So let's open this one up. What color is this? What color is
In
this?
the jacket.
This is a washable fingerprint from Crayola, and you're gonna be using this one.
Red.
Red, that's right, just like your shirt. Right? So this is what just gonna be using the red color.
Yeah.
And then the next material that we need is this one. So essentially this is just a like some papers, but this kind of paper is kind of thick. So it's really perfect for a card, for a Valentine card. So for Summer's Valentine card, she will be making the I love you very much, like this one. And because she will be using her own hands for her to make the cards, I would suggest to all the mommies and daddies out there for you to use, this. What do you call this one? This is for the to-go containers. So of course, like most of our homes, if not all, we have this to-go containers just laying around in the kitchen. You can definitely use this one, and this is where you're going to put the color, and this is where your toddler, your baby, will be putting their hands. So see, it'll be like mess free. Like you can put this like on the table without worrying the table, for the table to get stains, because they'll just be putting their hands on there, right? And then just ensure that you also have some baby wipes, some wipes like within your reach, so that anytime, as soon as your baby, your toddler is done with her artwork, you can easily wipe their hands without having a trip to the bathroom or to the, to the sink. And yeah, without having any worries about the mess or the stains on the table. Okay, are we ready, Summer?
Are you ready, Summer?
Are you ready, Summer?
Are you ready, Summer?
Ready! Summer's ready! Yay! We're gonna say, by the way, guys, please like, hope you're going to like this video and you're going to share this to your family and friends. And I hope you subscribe to Summertime Kid Show. Okay, let's start with our artwork now. You ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, we're ready, Summer. You have to sit over here. Sit down. Very good. And because your name is Summer, we are going to use the yellow. This is the yellow paper. So it's the yellow paper for your artwork, for your Valentine's artwork. So we're now going to put the, what's this? What color is this?
What color is this?
Tell mommy, what color is this? Tell them. What
Ready?
color?
Yeah.
Red? You're ready? All right, we're ready. Okay. And then all Summer has to do is to put her hand on the container. And then because she will be sending cards to her grandma and grandpa, aunties and uncles, come back here. She will be needing at least 5 cards. Come here. Okay, here we go. Okay, Summer. Here we go, Summer. Come here. Let's put your hands here. Come on. Okay, you ready? Come here. Summer. Come here. Okay, you ready? Okay, so that's 1. Yay! And then we have another. Wow. Okay, let's do another color. Okay, let's put it there. Wow, this one is perfect. Oh, look at that. It's perfect. Okay, one more. Okay, let's see. Oh, this one is perfect too. Look at that. Okay, another one. Okay. Wow, good job, Summer. Oh, wow. Okay, it's missing with the, very good. Okay, no more. Yay, look at that. And be ready with your wipes. Okay, we're done. We're going to do another paper. Very good, Summer. All right, we're gonna wash our hands. Okay, let's go. Let's wash our hands. Wash our hands. No. What's that? Let me see. So cute, Summer. Let me see. Aww, so cute.
So blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. Will my love